Have you ever wondered how much dirt your bed might be hiding, even when it looks perfectly clean? Honestly, I had no idea until I tried this mattress vacuum. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka, and today I'm showing you this mattress and bedding vacuum cleaner that really surprised me. I never imagined how much dust, hair, and debris could build up on blankets and comforters over time. I have a cat, and when I used it on her blanket and on the bed covers, I was shocked by everything it picked up. My sister was actually the one who recommended it, and I didn't pay much attention at first, but once I saw what came out, I couldn't believe it. This vacuum has a UVC light, and it's not just for show. That light actually helps eliminate dust mites, bacteria, and microorganisms that hide deep inside the fabric. It also uses a bit of heat, which helps disinfect and dry the surface while it vacuums. So now I feel like the bed is truly clean, not just on the surface. I'm also showing how I clean the vacuum afterward. It's super easy and quick to do. I use it on all 3 beds in my house, and every single time I'm amazed by how much it collects, especially cat hair I didn't even notice before. It's corded, so it plugs directly into the wall, and the cable is long enough to move comfortably across the bed. That gives it strong suction power, way better than any cordless one I've tried before. Since I started using it, I can't go back. Every time I empty the container, I'm reminded of how much cleaner everything feels now. I really feel like my beds are finally as clean as they should be. If you liked it, the link's down in the description. You can check it out or grab yours. Thanks for watching.